Refrigeration it is process of creating and maintaining lower temperature than surroundings. As the lower temperature is to be maintained continuously, the system must operate on a cycle. Refrigerant heat carrying medium in a refrigerant system. There are two types of refrigerants: primary refrigerant, secondary refrigerants. Primary refrigerants are refrigerants which upon which compression expansion takes place and undergo a cycle to produce lower temperature. Example: NH3, R12, R22, R134A, etc. Secondary refrigerant, these are other the refrigerants which are first cooled by primary refrigerants, then used for cooling at desired space. Example: air, water, brine, etc. Refrigeration effect, it is amount of heat which is to be extracted from storage space in order to maintain it at lower temperature. Unit of refrigeration: ton of refrigeration. 1 ton of refrigeration is the amount of heat which is to be extracted from 1 ton of water at 0 degrees centigrade in order to convert it into 0 degrees centigrade of ice in 24 hours. 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 3.5 kilowatt. Ideal refrigeration cycle: reverse Carnot cycle, gas as refrigerant, TS, TL, TH, 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse storage, QL, COP refrigerant is equal to refrigeration effect by WN is equal to QL by QH minus QL is equal to TL by TH minus TL, TH, TL, QL is equal to RA. COP heat pump is equal to He by heat extracted by Wn is equal to QH by QH minus QL is equal to TH by TH minus TL. COP refrigerant is equal to refrigeration effect by Wn into m dot by m dot. COP refrigeration is equal to R refrigerant capacity by Pn. R refrigerant capacity is equal to m dot into Re by m dot into Re. Pn is equal to m dot into Wn. Ideal vapor refrigeration or Carnot vapor refrigeration cycle, TS in this just Carnot in this dome. TL is equal to Tsat at PL, TH is equal to Tsat at PH. COP refrigerant is equal to RE by Wn is equal to TL by TH minus TL. Wn is equal to H1 minus H4 into TH minus TL by TL. Refrigerant capacity is equal to m dot into H1 minus H4. Pn is equal to m dot into H2 minus H1 minus H3 minus H4. COP heat pump is equal to heat extracted by Wn is equal to TH by TH minus TL. Wn is equal to H2 minus H3, Hg at pH, Hf at pH, T into TH minus TL by TH. Vapor compression refrigeration system, condenser Q in heat rejected 2 to 1 to 2 compressor, 1 to 2 first compressor, 2 to 3 condenser, 3 to 4 throttling, then evaporator, 4 to 1 evaporator, which is QL is equal to RA. TS diagram: 1 to 2 compressor, 2 to 3 condenser Q in, then 3 to 4 throttling, 4 to 1 heat extracted, which is extracted from storage. Analysis of vapor compression cycle: 1 to 2 reversible adiabatic compression. H1 is equal to Hg at PL evaporation pressure. H2 is equal to H superheat at pH and T2, or H2 is equal to Hg at pH plus Cpv into T2 minus Tsat, or S1 is equal to Sg at PL. S2 is equal to S1. H2 is equal to H superheat at pH and S2. Wn is equal to n by n minus 1 into P2 V2 minus P1 V1, because it is open system work. First law: H1 plus Q is equal to H2 plus W. This is 0, Wn is negative. H2 is equal to H1 plus Wn. 2 to 3 constant pressure heat rejection H3 is equal to HF at pH, QR is equal to H2 minus H3. Now 3 to 4 throttling, first law H3 is equal to H4. 4 to 1 constant pressure heat addition, Qin is equal to I is equal to H1 minus H4. COP R is equal to refrigeration effect by Wn is equal to H1 minus H4 by H2 minus H1 is equal to H1 minus H3 by H2 minus H1. Refrigeration capacity is equal to m dot into H1 minus H4. Pin is equal to m dot into H2 minus H1. COP heat pump is equal to heat extracted by Wn is equal to H2 minus H3 by H2 minus H1. The volumetric efficiency of reciprocating compressor is given as eta volume is equal to 1 minus C into P2 by P1 whole power 1 by N minus 1. If pressure ratio Rp is equal to P2 by P1 increases, volumetric efficiency decreases. Effect of operating parameters on performance of vapor compression cycle. Case 1, decrease in evaporator pressure Ts minus 5 degrees minus 10 degrees. Refrigeration effect decreases, W in increases. COP is equal to refrigeration effect by W in. This decreases and this increases, COP decreases. Eta volume decreases as this ratio increased. Evaporator pressure is decided by desired lower temperature of storage space. The evaporator pressure should be in such a way that the corresponding saturation temperature must be less than desired lower temperature. Increase in condenser pressure Ts 1 to 2, increase in condenser pressure or refrigeration effect decreases. W in increases, COP decreases, eta volume decreases. Condenser pressure is decided by surrounding temperature. The condenser pressure should be in such a way that corresponding saturation temperature must be greater than surrounding temperature. Case 3, superheating. TSO 1 2 3 2 prime 1 prime 1 prime 2 prime. Refrigeration effect increases, W in also increases. Eta volume remains same as pressure ratio is same. COP is equal to refrigerant effect by W in, both increases. COP may increase or decrease depending on refrigerant. In case of NH3, superheating decrease when results in decrease of COP. In case of R12, superheating results in increase of COP. Case for subcooling, refrigeration effect increases, Wn same, COP increases, eta volume same. Superheating and subcooling, use of heat exchanger in vapor compression refrigeration cycle. It will move this side, this will move this side. Refrigeration effect increases, Wn increases, COP increases, eta volume remains same. Just that compressor from condenser and from evaporator they exchanged heat. Cascade refrigeration system, refrigerator in series. The desired lower temperature is very low, then corresponding evaporator pressure is also very low, which causes very high pressure ratio and compressor, so volumetric efficiency decreases. To improve volumetric efficiency, cascade refrigeration system is used. Cascade refrigeration system C1, this heat is used for this heat, this evaporator storage. Two cycles TS, two cycles will be there, W1 W2. COP is equal 1 is equal to QL by W1. W1 is equal to QL by COP1. COP2 is equal to Q by W2 is equal to QL plus W1 by W2 is equal to QL by COP1 plus QL by W2. COP cascade is equal to QL by W1 plus W2 is equal to QL by COP1 plus QL into 1 plus COP1 by COP1 into COP2. COP cascade is equal to COP1 into COP2 by 1 plus COP1 plus COP2. Use of flash chamber in a refrigeration system. The flash chamber liquid only liquid passes through evaporator. Okay. The flash chamber is provided between throttle valve and evaporator. It separates liquid refrigerant and vapor refrigerant. Ensure the only liquid refrigerant to enter the evaporator. In this system, as only liquid refrigerant enters the evaporator, the size of evaporator can be reduced using providing a flash chamber in refrigerant unit has no effect on refrigeration effect, the power consumption and quotient of performance. All things remain same, only size of evaporator can be reduced. Designation of refrigerant, saturated hydrocarbon. If the chemical formula of refrigerant is CmHnFeClQ, then such a refrigerant are designated as Rm-1 n plus 1 p, where n plus p plus q is equal to 2m plus 2. Example CCl2F2, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 0, p is equal to 2, q is equal to 2. R 1 minus 1, 0 plus 1, 2, R 0 1 2, R 0 2 2, m minus 1 is equal to 0, m is equal to 1, n plus 1 is equal to 2, n is equal to 1, p is equal to 2, q is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1. CHClF2. CmHnFeClQ. R134a, m minus 1 is equal to 1, m is equal to 2, n plus 1 is equal to 3, n is equal to 2, p is equal to 4, q is equal to 6 minus 4 minus 2 is equal to 0, C2H2F4. R134a is known as eco-friendly refrigerant due to absence of chlorine element. The chlorine atom present in molecule is responsible for ozone layer depletion. In case of isomers, compound with same chemical formula but different molecular structure, A, B, C, D are used. The fluorine atom in molecule make it refrigerant physiologically more favorable. The hydrogen atom in molecule make it more flammable. Case 2, case 2 unsaturated hydrocarbon. If chemical formula of refrigerant is CmHnFeClQ, then such a refrigerant are designated as R1m-1 n plus 1 p, where n plus p plus q is equal to 2m. Example C2H4, m is equal to 2, n is equal to 4, p is equal to 0, q is equal to 0. R1150. Case 3 inorganic refrigerant. Inorganic refrigerants are designated as R700 plus molecular weight. NH3 R700 plus 17, R717 H2O, R718 air, R729 CO2, R744 SO2, R764. Vapor absorption system. Vapor absorption system, storage, everything, throttling remains same. Condenser, only NH3 passes this cycle, but this whole compressor is replaced by absorber, pump, generator QG, absorber H2O, and only NH3 passes. NH3 plus H2O, pump, W pump is equal to 0. Compressor is replaced by absorber, a pump, a generator, and a pressure reducing valve. Pump and a pressure reducing valve. The system deals with low grade energy, so it is mostly used where large amount of waste heat is available, like sugar and textile industries. Solar refrigeration plant is based on vapor absorption cycle. The most popular vapor absorption cycle is NH3H2O system, where NH3 is refrigerant and H2O is absorber. The COP and refrigeration effect of a vapor absorption system is very low. Where COP and refrigeration effect is very low. QE plus QG, QE plus QG minus QO is equal to 0. QO is equal to QO is equal to QE plus QG. Second line, cyclic integral dq by t less than or equal to 0. QE by TE plus QG by TG minus QO by TO less than or equal to 0. QE by TE plus QG by TG minus QO by TO less than or equal to 0. QE by TE plus QG by TG minus QE plus QG by TO less than or equal to 0. QE by QG less than or equal to TG minus TO by TG into TE by TO minus TE. COP vapor absorption is equal less than or equal to TG minus TO by TG into TE by TO minus TE. COP max is equal to TG minus TO by TG into TE by TO minus TE. T by TO minus T. Gas refrigeration cycle. Air is used as refrigerant which is treated as ideal gas. It is based on reverse of Brayton cycle, also known as Bell-Coleman cycle. It is used for aircraft applications because its low weight per ton of refrigeration. Compressor, heat exchanger, expansion, cooler air. The T S P is equal to C, P is equal to C, QH QL. PV 1 to 2, 3 to 2 to 3, 3 to 4. 4 to 1 constant pressure heat addition 1 first law H4 plus Q is equal to H1 plus W 0. Qin is equal to H1 minus H4. For ideal gas refrigeration effect is equal to Qin is equal to H1 minus H4. 1 to 2 reversible adiabatic compression WC is equal to Cp into T2 minus T1. 3 to 4 reversible adiabatic expansion W is equal to Cp into T3 minus T4. Win is equal to WC minus WE. COP refrigerant is equal to refrigeration effect by Wn is equal to Cp into T4 T1 minus T4 by Cp into T2 minus T1 minus Cp into T3 minus T4 is equal to T1 minus T4 by T2 minus T3 minus T1 minus T4. COP refrigerant is equal to 1 by T2 minus T3 by T1 minus T4 minus 1 is equal to 1 by T3 by T4 into T2 by T3 minus 1 by T1 by T4 minus 1. The pressure ratio RP is equal to P2 by P1 is equal to P3 by P4. T2 1 to 2, 2 by T2 by T1 is equal to RP whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. T3 to 4, T3 by T4 is equal to RP whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T4. T2 by T3 is equal to T1 by T4. From equation COP refrigerant is equal to 1 by RP whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1. Compressor is a power consuming device used to increase the pressure of gases. Compression work W open is equal to minus integral 1 to 2 VdP. W compressor is equal to integral 1 to 2 VdP. PV, P1, P2, these are different processes of compression. TS constant pressure lines are like this: 1 to 2, 1 to 2 prime, 1 to 3 to double prime. 1 to 2 isothermal compression, 1 to 2 prime polytropic compression, 1 to double prime, 1 to double prime reversible adiabatic compression. Work done area on pressure axis minimum of our isothermal among the above. The process of compression can be adiabatic, isothermal, or any polytropic process depending on type of application. Work input requirement is minimum for isothermal process. Compressors displacement type, dynamic type. Displacement type increase in pressure is achieved by decreasing volume of gas by displacement of gas. Example reciprocating compressors. Dynamic type increase in pressure is achieved by dynamic action of gas. The kinetic energy imparted to gas by rotation of rotor is converted into pressure energy partially in rotor, rest in diffuser. Example centrifugal compressor, axial compressor. Reciprocating compressor, these are able to produce very high pressure up to 1000 bar, but volume flow rate is very small. Q is less than a meter cube per minute. It is mostly used for air conditioner refrigeration, air filling station, mining work, chemical factories, etc. It is consists of piston cylinder arrangement with two valves, one suction and another discharge. These valves are spring-loaded automatic valves which operate due to pressure difference across the valve. Work input required without clearance volume. PV suction, P compression discharge. PV power n is equal to C. Here no clearance volume. Wn is equal to n by n minus 1 into P2 minus P2 V2 minus P1 V1 is equal to n by n minus 1 into P1 V1 into P2 V2 by P1 V1 minus 1 is equal to n by n minus 1 into P1 VA into P2 by P1 into P1 by P2 whole power 1 by n minus 1. Wn is equal to n by n minus 1 into MA RT1 into P2 by P1 whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1. Work input required without clearance volume. Work input required with clearance volume. Clearance volume is there suction, compression, discharge, expansion. In actual working, we always leave a minimum volume between piston and cylinder head known as clearance volume. It is provided to avoid thermal expansion for proper sitting arrangement of valves to avoid piston striking on cylinder. Wn is equal to Wc minus Wp is equal to n by n minus 1 into P1 V1 into P2 by P1 whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus n by n minus 1 into P4 V2 into P3 by P4 whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1. P4 is equal to P1, P3 is equal to P2. Wn is equal to n by n minus 1 into P1 into V1 minus V4 into P2 by P1 whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1. V1 minus V4 VA. Wn is equal to n by n minus 1 into MART1 into P2 by P1 whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1. Clearance volume does not affect the work of compression. The only difference is due to clearance volume is volume of discharge per cycle decreases. So in order to produce same amount of air, more number of cycles are required. Volumetric efficiency, it is defined as ratio of actual volume entering to the cylinder during suction stroke to piston displacement volume, swept volume. Eta volume is equal to VA by Vs is equal to V1 minus V4 by Vs is equal to Vc plus Vs minus V4 by Vs is equal to 1 plus Vc by Vs minus V4 by Vs. Finally, V4 by Vc into Vc by Vs finally equal to 1 minus Vc by Vs into V4 by V3 minus 1. Eta volume is equal to 1 minus Vc by Vs into P2 by P1 whole power 1 by n minus 1. Eta volume is equal to 1 minus C into P2 by P1 whole power 1 by n minus 1, where C is clearance ratio, C is equal to Vc by Vs. If pressure ratio Rp is equal to P2 by P1 increases, then volumetric efficiency decreases. If clearance ratio increases, volumetric efficiency decreases. Multi-stage compression. In a single stage compression, if then increases, then volumetric efficiency decreases. Multi-stage compression and single stage compression, if pressure ratio is very high, then volumetric efficiency will be very low. Even at Rp is equal to 1 by C plus 1 whole power n, volumetric efficiency becomes 0. So to improve volumetric efficiency, multi-stage compressors are used. If intercooling is used between stages, the compression work will be minimized. For ideal gas, T2 prime is equal to T2, 1 to 2 compressed, then intercooled, then 2 to 2 prime to 3. Work saved due to intercooling. Wn is equal to Wc1 plus Wc2 is equal to n by n minus 1 MART1 into P2 by P1 whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1 plus n by n minus 1 into MART2 prime into P3 by P2 prime whole power n minus 1 by n minus 1 for ideal interpolar T2 prime is equal to T1, P2 prime is equal to P1. Wn is equal to n by n minus 1 into MART into P2 by P1 whole power n minus 1 by n plus P3 by P2 whole power n minus n by n minus 2. For given P1, P3, T1, MA, Win is equal to F of P2 only. For minimum work input, dW by dP2 is equal to 0. P2 is equal to root of P1, P3. Condition for minimum work input. P2 by P1 is equal to P3 by P2. For minimum work input with ideal intercooling, the pressure ratio of each compressor must be same. If n number of stages are used in multi-stage compressor, then pressure ratio of each compressor must be same. So P2 by P1 is equal to P3 by P2, so on Pn plus 1 by Pn is equal to pressure ratio in each stage of compressor. Pn plus 1 is equal to K power n P1. K is equal to Pn plus 1 by P1 whole power 1 by n. Wc per stage is equal to n by n minus 1 into MART1 into K power n minus 1 by n minus 1. For minimum work, Wc1 is equal to Wc2 is equal to Wc3, so on. W total is equal to capital N into Wc per stage. W total is equal to n into small n by n minus 1 into MART1 into Pn plus 1 by P1 whole power n minus 1 by capital N into n minus 1. Free air delivery. It is used to compare handling capacity of two reciprocating compressors working under different conditions. It is the volume when reduced to 1 bar 15 degrees centigrade. Volume entering is equal to V1 minus V4. Mass entering is ME is equal to P1 into V1 minus V4 by RT1. Volume discharge is equal to V2 minus V3. Mass discharge MD is equal to P3 into V2 minus V3. At reference point, PR is equal to 100 kilopascal, TR is equal to 288 Kelvin, VR is equal to FAD, MR is equal to 1000 into FAD by R into 282. ME is equal to MD is equal to R is equal to P1 into V1 minus V4 by RT1 is equal to P3 into V2 minus V3 by RT3 is equal to 100 into FAD by R into 288. Air conditioning. It is simultaneous control of temperature of air, humidity of air velocity and purity of air. Psychrometry. It is science that deals with study of properties of moist air, dry air, N2, O2, etc. Fixed part, water vapor, H2O, variable part. Psychrometric terms, specific humidity. It is defined as ratio of mass of vapor to mass of dry air in mixture. W is equal to MV by MA. Kg of vapor per kg of dry air. For dry air, PAV is equal to MARA into T. MAVA, TV, PV. Sigma M is equal to MV plus MA. For water vapor, PVV is equal to MV RV T. PV by PA is equal to MV by MA into RV by RA. MR is equal to R bar. W is equal to MV by MA is equal to PV by PA into R bar by MA by R bar by MV. W is equal to MV by MA is equal to PV by PA into 18 by 29. W is equal to MV by MA is equal to 0.622 PV by PT minus PV. Relative humidity, it is defined as ratio of mass of vapor to mass of vapor under saturation condition at same temperature and volume. Unsaturated air MAMV PV MAMVS PVS saturated T and V same. PVV is equal to MVRVT, PVSV is equal to MVSRVT, PV by PVS is equal to MV by MVS, pi is equal to MV by MVS is equal to PV by PVS. For saturated air, pi is equal to 1. For unsaturated air, pi is less than 1. Specific humidity represents mass of vapor present per kg of dry air. Relative humidity represents moisture absorbing capacity. degree of saturation, it is defined as ratio of specific humidity to specific humidity under saturation. Mu is equal to W by Ws is equal to 0.622 PV by PT minus PV is by 0.622 PVS by PT minus PVS. Mu is equal to PV by PVS into PT minus PVS by PT minus PV. Mu is equal to pi into PT minus PVS by PT minus PV. Dry bulb temperature, it is normal temperature measured by ordinary thermometer. Wet bulb temperature, it is a temperature measured by ordinary thermometer when its bulb is covered with wet cloth. Wet cloth, air, water, psychrometer, DBT, WBT, PV, PVS. PV equals to PVS. Dew point temperature, it is temperature at which vapor will start vapor present in atmosphere starts condensing. Pi is equal to PV by PVS, PSAT at T, TS, DPT, WBT, DVT, PVS, PV prime, PV. This is adiabatic saturation. Dew point temperature is the saturation temperature corresponding to PV, where saturation is achieved isobarically. Where saturation is achieved isobarically. Wet PV only PV. Wet bulb temperature is saturation temperature corresponding to PV, where saturation is achieved adiabatically. Adiabatically, wet bulb temperature. This is PV. Adiabatic saturation is adiabatic saturation is wet bulb temperature. Saturation isobarical is dew point temperature. Saturation, which is used for calculation of pi, is achieved isothermally. Saturation PVS used for calculation of pi is achieved isothermally. Enthalpy of moist air, H is equal to HA plus HV. H by MA is equal to MA HA by MA plus MV HV by MA. H is equal, small h is equal to HA plus WHV kilojoule per kg dry air. HA is specific enthalpy of dry air. HV is a specific enthalpy of water vapor. H is enthalpy of moist air per kg of dry air. Enthalpy of dry air, the enthalpy of dry air at 0 degrees centigrade is arbitrarily taken as 0. TR is equal to 0 degrees, HAR is equal to 0 degrees, 0, THA for a dry air, DH is equal to CPDT, HA minus HAR is equal to CP into T minus TR, HA is equal to CPAT is equal to HA is equal to 1.005 T, where T is in degrees centigrade. Enthalpy of water vapor, enthalpy of saturated water at 0 degrees temperature is arbitrarily taken as 0, HV is equal to 0 plus LH plus delta H. HV is equal to LH plus CPV dt. HV is equal to 2500 plus 1.88 T minus 0. Enthalpy of moist air is equal to 1.005 T plus W into 2500 plus 1.88 T. DPT is Tsat at PV. At PV, what is Tsat? That is DPT, dew point temperature. Psychrometric chart, it is used to find this is PV, this is PV, this is DBT, these are WBT, these are W lines humidity, these are pi is equal to pi lines relative humidity, these are WBT lines and enthalpy lines. Constant wet bulb temperature lines. These lines, though there is small deviation between constant wet bulb temperature lines and constant enthalpy line, but for all calculation purpose this deviation is neglected. Constant wet bulb temperature line follow constant enthalpy line. constant dew point temperature line. Dew point temperature line is saturation temperature corresponding to PV. So as long as PV is constant, dew point temperature is also constant. So constant DPT lines follow constant PV lines, which is horizontal. Isobaric adiabatic saturation. Okay, WBT. From this we got this. This is DPT. This is WBT. Basic psychrometric process, sensible heating. It is a process of increasing dBT of air at constant specific humidity. T2 greater than T1, W1 is equal to W2. WBT1 less than WBT2. dPT1 is equal to dPT2. Pi 1 greater than pi 2. W1 is equal to MV1 by MA1. H1 plus Q is equal to H2 plus W. Qin is equal to H2 minus H1. Qin is equal to MA dot into H2 minus H1 kilojoule. Qin is equal to MA dot into H2 minus H1. Adiabatic process follow constant enthalpy line in psychrometric process. Adiabatic process, constant enthalpy line in psychrometric process. Bypass factor, loss factor, BPF is equal to delta T loss by delta T maximum. BPF is equal to TC minus T2, which is loss by TC minus T1, which is maximum possible. Eta actual is eta efficiency is equal to delta T actual by delta T max is equal to eta coil is equal to T2 minus T1 by TC minus T1. BPF plus eta coil is equal to 1. Sensible cooling, it is process of decreasing dry bulb temperature at constant specific humidity. T2 less than T1, W2 is equal to W1. QR dot is equal to MA into H1 minus H2. To achieve sensible cooling, coil temperature must be greater than dew point temperature. Sensible cooling greater than dew point temperature. Humidification it is for process of increasing specific humidity of air at constant dry bulb temperature. Dehumidification, it is process of decreasing specific humidity of air at constant dry bulb temperature. The humidification, this is dehumidification. Pure humidification and pure humidification is not possible to achieve practically because these processes are associated with temperature change. Heating and humidification, T2 greater than T1, W2 greater than W1. Qin is equal to MA dot into H2 minus H1. Example, steam spray. Delta MV is equal to MV2 minus MV1 divided by MA. Delta MV dot is equal to MA dot into W2 minus W1. Sensible heat factor, SHF is equal to SH by SH plus LH. Sensible heat by sensible heat plus latent heat. SHF is equal to H2 prime minus H1 by H2 minus H1. This H1 to 2 actually is this 2 prime, like this we can divide. Cooling and dehumidification, T2 less than T1, W2 less than W1. To achieve cooling and dehumidification, coil temperature must be less than dew point temperature. Heat removed, QR dot is equal to MA dot into H1 minus H2. Vapor removed, delta MV dot is equal to MA dot into W2 minus W1. Cooling and humidification, T2 less than T1, W2 greater than W1. Example, desert air cooler. Heating and dehumidification, T2 greater than T1, W2 less than W1. It is known as adiabatic chemical dehumidification. Certain chemicals like silica gel, alumina gel are used to absorb moisture. When these chemicals absorb moisture, latent heat of condensation released will heat the remaining air.